Ich bin Deutsch. Ich bin Deutsch. Dan, am I saying that right? Ruski? Yeah, Ruski? I don't know what I'm saying. Hey guys, Candy Dawn. Welcome back to my channel. So a few weeks ago, I unboxed my Ancestry DNA kit for you guys. Now, if you haven't seen that video, I am going to put the link down below. Basically, it just explains everything that comes in the kit and how you go about submitting your DNA. But guess what? I'm so excited because my results are finally in. But before I go ahead and reveal those for you guys, please make sure you go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below so you can become part of my YouTube family, as well as that little bell icon. That way you get notified when I post any new videos. So about 8 weeks ago, I sent in my saliva sample for Ancestry to analyze, and now they have finally emailed me my link with my results. Now, what I know so far about my family history is that my father is German and my mother is part Italian and Hungarian. So I'm really curious to see if the DNA results are going to match what I already know, or if there's going to be any kind of hidden surprises. So without further ado, let's dive in and see. So once you open up your email link with your results, it will bring you to a page like this. Not quite sure if you could see, but over here on this side, it's a highlighted map of all the regions and areas that your DNA matches. And then over here on this side, it breaks down the percentages for you. All right, so according to my results, I am 41% Eastern Europe and Russian. Now, this is what's shocking because my dad knew I was going to be going ahead and doing these DNA results. So he revealed to me that his mother was Polish and his father was Russian. So this whole time I actually just thought I was mostly predominantly German. But according to my results, I am mostly Russian, but only about by 1% because it says 40% I am Germanic Europe. I'm also 11% Swedish, 5% England, Wales, and Northwestern Europe, and 3% Baltic states. Whatever that is. So what's really cool about the Ancestry DNA results, it also gives me a list of DNA matches. So anyone else who has done this kit, it will match you to anyone that you're related to. So it's actually found matches for people who are my second, third, fourth, fifth, and even sixth cousins. So I just think that's really cool because I don't know too much about my dad's side of the family. So I think it would be really neat to be able to touch base and reach out to some of those people that I have matched with that are more on my German and Russian side so that I can learn a bit more about my background and family history. A little bit disappointed because I was hoping that a long lost family member that I've never met before would have been curious about their history and their ethnicity, and they would have taken this test and that we would have come up as a DNA match. Unfortunately, that didn't happen. That's a long story and a bit of a private story, so I can't give you too many details, but maybe that will be a video for sometime in the future. All depends if a certain family member is willing to give me permission and feels comfortable about opening up about the story. So the other thing about Ancestry is there are a lot of other perks to their website that you can take advantage of. So for example, people that you have matched with may have created their own personal family trees. So it might link up to another like 225 people that you could be related to. There could also be birth certificates, more information on these people. But in order to do that, you have to register and sign up for their monthly services. Now, I'm not quite sure how much that is, but when you actually take the Ancestry DNA test, they do offer you a special discount. I believe they offered me 1 month free of the service. I haven't taken advantage of that yet, but I probably will. So that's something you might want to consider ahead of time before doing the DNA test. So overall, I am happy with my results and the experience that I had with the Ancestry DNA kit. I would recommend doing it. I also would recommend, I think it's a great gift for somebody. It's not overly pricey. It's just a really neat experience to find out more about yourself. Okay guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it really informative. If you do want to find out more information, like I said, about the kit, everything that's included in it, how you go about submitting the results, it's super easy process. That link is down below for that video. Who knows? Maybe you guys will be of some help for me in the future in locating and searching for that missing family member. But make sure you stay tuned and are subscribed because I don't know if we'll be doing that, but you never know. Make sure you do check out some of my other recent videos. I'm going to put some links down below for you guys to check out. And if you do want to see any of my beauty or my fashion looks, make sure you're following me on social media, and I will see you guys next time.